I will read it out and then you will repeat with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The elves and the shoemaker.
Okay.
Repeat. Yes, repeat it.
The elves and the
And the
shoemaker
by the brothers Grimm.
by the brothers Grimm.
Hmm. The Elves and the Shoemaker is one of our favorite fairy tales and Christmas stories. Repeat, Uday.
And Christmas stories.
I didn't hear you.
Why, ma'am? Okay. The elves and the shoemaker is one of our favorite fairy tales and Christmas stories.
It is not favorite, it's favorite.
Yeah, favorite.
Fay means it is written
Favorite.
F F A, but actually it would be F Y. So Fay, wo, rich.
Okay, ma'am. Favorite. Okay.
Yes, favorite.
Okay. Favorite.
Yes. So there was once a shoemaker who, through no fault of his own, had become so poor that at last he had only leather enough left for one pair of shoes. Please repeat it.
Okay. There was once a shoemaker who, through no fault of his own, had become so poor that last he had only leather enough left for one pair of shoes.
Hmm. At evening, he cut out the shoes which he intended to begin upon the next morning. And since he had a good conscience, he lay down quietly, said his prayers, and fell asleep.
Yet evening he cut
At,
out the shoes at
yes, correct. At.
at cut at evening he cut out the shoes which he intended to begin upon the next morning, and
Next.
since
Don't say next. Next.
next.
The, yeah, don't like stress so much on T. Just be calm. Next. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Begin upon the next morning, and since he had a good conscience, he lay down quietly, said his prayers, and fell asleep.
Fell. Fell
Fell,
asleep.
fell, fell asleep, sleep,
Fell asleep.
fell asleep,
Asleep, not asleep.
fell asleep,
Huh. Fell asleep. Say,
as- fell asleep.
in the morning, when he had prayed as usual and was preparing to sit down to work, he found a pair of shoes standing finished on his table. He was amazed and could not understand it in the least.
In the morning, when he had prayed as usual and was preparing to sit down to work, he found the pair of shoes standing finished on his table. He was amazed and could
He
not
was
understand.
amazed.
He was amazed.
Z sound will come. Amazed.
He was amazed.
When you are saying amazed, that means your uh, tongue is touching your upper throat, okay? But you have to say amazed. That the middle part of your tongue will touch the upper throat, okay?
Okay, ma'am. He was amazed.
Not amazed. Do you
He was,
watch ZTV?
sorry, ma'am.
Say ZTV.
Say GTV.
Z, Z, Z. Say Z.
Okay, amazed.
How does a honeybee sound? Like this, right?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Do z, z, z.
Amazed.
Z, huh, z, amazed.
Amazed.
Correct. Now it is coming little bit. Yes.
He was amazed
Hmm.
and could not understand it in the least.
Hmm. Very good. So he took the shoes in his hand to examine them more closely. They were so neatly sewn that not a stitch was out of place, and was as good as the work of a master hand.
He took the shoes in his hand to examine them more closely. They were so neatly sewn that not a
What
stitch was
they
sewn.
were, okay, were
They were so neatly sewn
sewn.
that not a stitch was out of place,
Hmm.
and were as good as the work of a master hand.
Soon after, a purchaser came in, and as he was much pleased with the shoes, he paid more than the ordinary price for them, so that the shoemaker was able to buy leather for 2 pairs with the money.
Soon after, a purchaser came in, and as he was much pleased with the
Please.
shoes, pleased,
Hmm.
pleased with the shoes, he paid more than the ordinary price for them, so that the shoemaker was able to buy leather for 2 pairs with the money.
Hmm. He cut them out in the evening, and next day, with fresh courage, was about to go to work. But he had no need to, for when he got up, the shoes were finished and buyers were not lacking. These gave him so much money that he was able to buy leather for 4 pairs of shoes.
He cut them out in the evening, and next day, with fresh courage, was about to go to work. But he had no need to, for when he got up, the shoes were finished, and buyers were not lacking. They gave him so much money that he was able to buy leather for 4 pairs of shoes.
Early next morning, he found the 4 pairs finished, and so it went on. What he cut out at evening was finished in the morning, so that he was soon again in comfortable circumstances and became a well to do man.
Early morning, he found the 4 pairs finished, and so it went on. When he cut out at evening was finished in the morning, so that he was soon again in comfortable circumstances and become a well-to-do man.
Now it happened one evening, not long before Christmas, when he had cut out shoes as usual, that he said to his wife, "How would it be if we were to sit up tonight to see who it is that lends us such a helping hand?"
Now it happened one evening, not long before Christmas, when he had cut out shoe as usual, that he said to his wife, "How would it be if we were to sit up tonight to see who is that lends us such a helping hand?"
Yes. Uday, here it is a dialogue, so you have to change your tone a little bit so that people understand that yes, there is a dialogue here. Like as I read it, now it
Okay, ma'am.
happened one evening, not long before Christmas, when he had cut out shoes as usual, that he said to his wife, "How would it be if we were to sit up tonight to see who it is that lends us such a helping hand?"
Okay, ma'am. Now it happened one evening, not long before Christmas, when he had cut out shoe as usual, that he said to his wife, "How would it be if we were to sit up tonight to see who it is that lends us such helping hand?"
Very good. The wife agreed, lighted a candle, and they hid themselves in the corner of the room behind the clothes which were hanging there.
The wife agreed. Lighted a candle, and they hid themselves in the corner of the room behind the clothes which were hanging there.
At midnight came two little naked men who sat down at the shoemaker's table, took up the cutout work, and began with their tiny fingers to stitch, sew, and hammer so neatly and quickly that the shoemaker could not believe his eyes. They did not stop till everything was quite finished and stood complete on the table. Then they ran swiftly away.
At midnight came two little naked men who sat down at the shoemaker's table, took up the cutout work, and began with their tiny fingers to
Tiny.
tiny fingers to stitch,
Sit.
stitch
Stew.
shoe, stitch
Stew.
shoe,
Uh,
and hammer so neatly and quickly that the shoemaker could not believe his eyes. They did not to stop till evening was quite finished, and stood complete on the table. Then they ran swiftly away.
hmm, very good. Next day, the wife said, "The little men have made us rich, and we ought to show our gratitude. They run about with nothing on, and must freeze with cold. Now I will make them little shirts, coats, waistcoats, and hose, and will even knit them stout stockings, and you shall make them each a pair of shoes."
The next day, his wife said. The next day, the wife said, "The little men have made us rich, and we ought to show our gratitude. They ran about with nothing on, and must freeze with cold. Now I will make them little shirts, coats, waistcoats, and hose, and will even knit them stout stockings, and you shall make them each a pair of shoes." The husband agreed, and at evening, when they had everything ready, they laid out the present on the table, and themselves
Hit
to see
themselves.
hid
Yes.
hid themselves to see how the little men
Would behave.
would behave.
Would. One U sound should come. Would.
Yes, ma'am, would.
Yeah, correct. Carry on.
At midnight, they came skipping
Again,
in.
yet,
Yet, sorry, ma'am. Yet,
at, at,
at, yet, at,
at.
sorry, ma'am. Yet, no, ma'am. Yet.
No, you were telling yet. That's why I told. Again, you are telling yet. It is at.
Okay. At,
Hmm.
at, at. Okay. Yet means YET, right?
Yes.
At. Okay, ma'am. At midnight, they came skipping in and were about to set to work. But instead of the leather ready to cut out,
But
they
instead,
but instead
hmm,
instead of the leather ready to cut out, they found the charming little
clothes.
clothes.
Hmm.
At first, they were surprised and excessively delighted. With the greatest speed, they put on and smoothed down the pretty clothes, singing,
Pretty clothes.
pretty clothes,
Hmm.
singing. Now we are dressed so fine and neat. Why cobble more for others' feet?
Hmm.
Then
Now
they
we
hope
are dressed.
now were dressed so
Now
fine
we
and
are dressed.
now we are
Hmm. Dressed.
dressed
Hmm.
so fine and neat. Why cobble more for others' feet?
Hmm.
Then they hopped and danced
Then they
about.
hopped.
Then they hopped and danced about and leaped over chairs and tables and out at the door. Henceforward, they came back no more. But the shoemaker fared well as long as he lived, and had good luck in all his undertakings.
Hmm. So, what did you understand through this story?
Mm, couple like
Couple?
a couple they are doing shoemaking job, but they are unable to do one night, and two men came and they help short men came and they helped so much, so they decided to give them to something.
Hmm.
So they gave, so the couple gave them to like clothes and all the things.
Okay, so actually, the story is there was a poor shoemaker, and one day what happened, he didn't have any uh, more leather left to make shoes. He had only one pair of leather, and he cut it down and kept it so that next morning he can uh, like transform it to a beautiful pair of shoes. But then that night he prayed to God and he went to sleep. Next day, when he woke up, he saw very beautiful pair of shoes, and people were eagerly wanting to buy it, and also they paid them more money than the price which the shoemaker asked for. And after that, these things kept on happening. Like every evening he used to cut the leather pieces, and at night the elves used to come and then they used to stitch them, and the next day he had lot of buyers who used to buy his shoes because of the uh, beauty of the shoes. Okay, so one day he and his wife decided that they would see what was happening at the night, that who was making or mending the shoes for them. So when they saw that there were two elves who came to their home and they started their work, and they finished doing their work, and after finishing they went away. So then they decided to give them something. They gave them different type of clothes and shoes as a Christmas gift. The elves were happy and delighted to see those, and they dressed up and they said, okay, now we are so nicely dressed, then why should we make more shoes for others? Yeah. So after this also, the shoemaker was in a very good position, means he didn't had any financial problem. He was happy ever after. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So can you read out the words over here which I have written for you?
Okay, ma'am. Poor.
It is not poor, it's poor.
Poor.
Yes? Can you a
Poor.
little bit clear and loud?
Poor.
Poor. Yes?
It is like poor. Poor.
Poor. Poor.
Poor.
Yes, repeat it 3 times.
Poor. Poor. Poor.
Hmm. Next word.
Conscience.
It is
Con-
conscience.
conscience.
Okay?
Conscience. Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am. It is
Hmm.
conscience.
Hmm.
Conscience. Conscience.
Conscience.
Conscience.
Then,
Then commend. Commend. Commend.
so next we are going to learn self introduction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So, can you introduce yourself to me?
Okay, ma'am. Mm, Hi, I'm Uday. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my graduation in 2016. in Paida College of Engineering in Vizag in 2018. Okay, ma'am. I don't see the self.
What?
I mean, if I'm seeing in the screen, I'm repeating the same words.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell, ma'am. Like, hi, I am Uday.
Hmm.
I completed my graduation in Paida College of Engineering.
Graduation.
I I completed my graduation.
Graduation.
I completed my graduation in
Hmm.
Paida College of Engineering in 2016.
Hmm.
So, which is in Vizag,
Okay.
or which is located in Vizag, Andhra Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
So, after my study, so I started doing my work in SanDisk India Private Limited as a firmware developer engineer.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, which is in Bangalore. So it has been 3 years. I'm working here in SanDisk company. So here my job is to mm, okay, how to say, ma'am?
It's okay. You can leave it and say something different.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Here I need to play multiple roles, like
Hmm.
according to the client needs. So
Hmm.
sometimes if there is no client work, so we need to develop ourselves. So for that we are conducting so many sessions. So it takes by individuality who are great work at cultural programming or scripted knowledge or programming languages or it depends on the time and it depends on the availability. And here most of the thing I worked with, I need to dealt with US clients.
I
So
need to deal.
that's I need to deal client client
Deal
projects
with, deal with US clients.
as clients.
Hmm.
So more we are related to the storage devices, which are nothing but memory cards and USB drives and hard disks and solid state drives. So we are making the program code more efficient and adaptable.
Hmm.
So for that we are providing quality work, not only for work, and we are providing them more flexibility for the employees
Hmm.
and we are very close to the all the programming languages, so we are ready to work at any time and any programming language. So there is no specific language we have, and we are very fast learner,
Okay.
and we make the things more your user friendly. And
Hmm.
till now we provided so many new technologies to the world, and which are latest technology storage devices, cloud computing. So it is very closer to the user who wants to upload lot of GB number of files at a time in
Hmm.
different locations.
Hmm.
So we are providing them to the IP addresses based on their devices. So there is no particular device. So user can upload any files from anywhere in this world.
Hmm.
So in this in my career, I have achieved so many medals, and I awarded like the best employee award in my company.
Wow. Very good.
So mm, now I felt like I feel bored about my company and my work. So I want to learn new things. So for that, I'm applying your job. So I
Okay.
heard about your company. It is so nice and more interesting technologies are existed. So I hope I want to work with you in future, and we will do lot of things in future.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, Uday, your introduction was good, but then there are some more points which needs to be included when you are introducing yourself somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
here I have included some points like first of all, who you are, you already said. Where do you come from? This also you said, and what have you studied? Who you are as a professional. These all points you have included. But apart from this, I also feel like you should talk about your likes and dislikes and little bit about your family. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here, actually, this is the self introduction of a fresher, and if
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is a professional, he or she can include the professional part as well. This is very simple, like hi, I am Aisha, or in place of this hi, you can replace it with good morning or good afternoon. I am Aisha. I am from Bangalore. I completed my BCom honors from Christ College, Bangalore in 2018. My father is a doctor and my mother is a social worker. I have a younger brother who is first pursuing his BTech. I love playing basketball and have represented my schools in many competitions. My active participation in sports has taught me many skills. I'm also an active member of my school alumni club and take initiative in organizing alumni meets. I have a fascination for languages, so I am learning the Japanese language.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so can you see means here this person has said something about the family and about her likes and dislikes and also what she is going to do in her future. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
so I want you to write this kind of self introduction. Of course, it
Oh,
should be yours, not anybody else's.
yes,
So
ma'am. I will write on my own only.
yeah, and please check there shouldn't be any grammatical mistake as well. So write it and show me tomorrow. Apart from this, the pronunciation things which we did today.
Ma'am, I observed from my pronunciation, I'm striking at ED, right? ED words, I'm doing
Yes.
so much mistakes always. ED
Hmm. Actually, you stress a lot on them.
and ED at,
Yes.
at.
Yes. Like part. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Part,
Yes. Part. And then what is this here?
parted.
Parted. Your
Part,
pronunciation is like parted.
okay,
Don't
parted.
stress so much on this D. So when this D is coming, make it little more soft. Like make it, try to make it is like T, parted. Okay.
Parted.
Huh. And
Parted.
also, you one thing more you can do is this. Like when you press your tongue too much with your upper jaw, that time the D sound comes very hard. So make it little soft.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, then and then your sound will be good. Like part, parted.
Part,
Meet.
parted.
Hmm. Say the next one. Say the next one. Uday?
Yes, ma'am. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you now. Tell me the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one.
Yeah, parted. Needed. End, ended. Test,
Not end.
tested.
Don't bring that Y sound at the beginning. It is end. A sound should come. End.
End,
Hmm. Repeat it.
end,
Hmm.
end,
Hmm.
ended.
Ended. Very good. Now you are getting it correct. Next.
Test,
Hmm.
tested.
Hmm. So I'll send you all these pronunciation word as well. So try to practice this at your home.
Okay,